It's China's foreign minister who is set to arrive here in New Delhi a little after 4 o'clock this afternoon for crucial talks that are going to be taking place between Prime Minister Modi, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, and of course Ajit Doval, the National Security Advisor as well. And this marks the 24th round of special representatives level talks aimed at resolving the India-China border dispute. To know more on this, we have my colleague Gauri Dwivedi joining us early this morning. Thank you so much for joining us, Gauri. Take us through the significance of this visit, particularly given the timing of this, and this really comes about. It couldn't have happened at a better time, given the fact that India is facing that tariff war with the United States.
A lot of geopolitical realignments have actually happened. Likewise, the India-China relationship, the number of developments that have actually happened in the last couple of months has been very significant. Now, Chinese foreign minister is going to be in India on a 3-day visit. He will first and foremost be speaking to National Security Advisor. Remember, NSA Ajit Doval on our side and Wang Yi on the Chinese side are the two special representatives who will continue the border talks ever since the Galwan clash. This is going to be the 24th edition of the border talks that will continue to talk about the continued de-escalation as far as the line of actual control is concerned. Remember, this comes after the Galwan clash, where there have been talks that have made some progress. One also needs to keep in mind that the India-China relationship is complex and layered, multi-layered in fact. So even incremental progress should be viewed in that sense of the significance of it going forward. So this round of talks between Ajit Doval on Indian side and Wang Yi on the Chinese side will continue to focus on de-escalation as far as the border talks are concerned. That's one aspect of this. The second aspect of this visit also needs to be kept in mind, given the fact that the trade talks and several other diplomatic efforts have actually got a big fillip in the last couple of weeks. One can say Donald Trump had a great role to play, that he expedited this entire development. But things as they may be, because of external factors, trade and development talks have also gotten a fresh fillip. Now, resumption of flights is something that's a long-standing demand of the Chinese. Direct flights from India to China, that is likely to now be taken in terms of considering to finalize that. That could happen fairly soon. And it also comes ahead of some non-tariff barriers that China had imposed on India. Now, when you say non-tariff means that it could be in terms of ensuring there are an informal sort of a ban that may be put in place. Things may become tougher to be able to import. Those are called non-tariff barriers. Some of that India is seeing with regard to critical minerals, with regard to fertilizers, and that is also likely to then be taken into consideration in these talks. It comes just ahead of Prime Minister Modi's very important visit that will be at the SCO, and this lays the groundwork for that crucial meeting between Prime Minister Modi and Xi Jinping later this month in China.
Thank you so much, Gauri, for breaking it down for us. And this meeting that's going to be happening at 4 o'clock this evening Indian Standard Time. So we will keep coming back to you to know more on this very crucial visit of the Chinese foreign minister here in India.